is precocious puberty?
You see, like breast development, that is the breast bud development in a girl before the age of 8 years, or increase in the testicular volume in a boy before the age of 9 years, we consider it as precocious puberty.
All right. And you said earlier that the pathological precocious puberty, idiopathic precocious puberty. So, what are the type of precocious puberty, if you can mention that?
The main two causes would be like central and peripheral. Okay, I don't think like we need to really identify the causes, but you just need to be aware that you feel that your child has any new symptom very early. Like you feel like your child has a breast development much earlier than the peers, or much earlier than when you remember you had it, or her cousins. Or if you feel that your son has penile length enlargement or acne, axillary hair, or change in body odor earlier than what it should be, or say much earlier than the classmates, then I feel it justifies an evaluation, a proper evaluation.
So these are the physical changes. Is there any do we see that okay, there is isolated breast enlargement, there is isolated penile length enlargement, or do we see this whole spectrum together?
Yeah, there are cases when we see like isolated pubic hair development or isolated breast development in much earlier cases, like when the child is very young, say between the age group of like 2 to 4 years. It's usually isolated premature thelarche and it's not uh, precocious puberty. But what we need to remember is these definitions, it can't be just a simple definition for everyone. Like each child has to be examined. It's not just the breast development, many other things like how the child is growing, what has been the previous height velocity, what's the bone age, and other investigations also need to be done. There are many cases like we have burnt our fingers as well. Like we can't just say that it is normal or there's no cause. It's very important to rule out the more sinister causes in every case.
Right, right. So, apart from these physical changes, Dr. Dhana, is there any emotional change the parents can notice? And is there any other changes in child's behavior which parents can notice beforehand and they can see, okay, there is no physical change, but I see these emotional and behavioral changes in baby, they need to be evaluated for the precocious puberty?
Yeah, so many of the parents they come with such concerns as well. Like they would have noticed the physical changes, but along with it, they would have noticed some other behavioral issues, such as the child behaving more like an adolescent, like in a more mature way, or some temper tantrums, or they won't listen to the parents like how they previously would, or argue much more than what it used to be. These are probably related to the increase in the hormone levels, which usually happens in the adolescence age group, like increase in the testosterone and estriol. These could be the reasons why such changes are seen.